presidents and ministers. Arose is a respected company that not only we but others have written about many times. This company is owned by Shamsulo Sohibov and Rukshona Emmamali, Rakmonov's daughter, and Tajikistan's ambassador to the UK. Shamsula has controlled the entire money transfer system in the country for several years now. A decree was issued that, from August 2022, payments will be made in non-cash form. Shamsula once bought money transfer machines, and he took it on behalf of Arose and kept a percentage for himself. They purchased and installed these machines jointly with a Monet Bank. Budget money, taxes, utilities, salaries, lab services and tinting. All this was paid at the Monet Bank branch in the 33rd micro-district in Tajikistan. But this branch was no longer operating, except for accepting payments for car tinting. The chairman of this Almanac Bank branch was Nakshav Faisedan, who died 2 years ago. So, which of Sakibov's people remained in his place? Money for car tinting goes exclusively to Tachmina Cleopatra or Roostum Hertzig. Rumors that the money for tinting will go to the construction of Rogan are false. One tinting permit costs $500. If this money went to the budget and to the Rogan account, then any branch of Aminite Bank operating in the country would receive it. However, payment for tinting is accepted only at the branch in the 33rd micro-district, and from there, they go directly to an offshore account.